Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make creatine at home. Consider safety first and prefer buying pharmaceutical-grade creatine monohydrate instead of attempting chemical synthesis at home. I will explain what creatine is, summarize why lab synthesis is impractical, and offer safe alternatives like micronized powders and dosing guidelines you can follow without risky equipment or chemicals. Home chemistry without training can expose you to toxic reagents, fumes, and contamination risks, so avoid DIY synthesis. I will describe safe handling principles, signs of contamination to watch for, and why regulated manufacturing ensures purity and correct crystalline form. If you want creatine reliably, choose tested brands and third-party lab results instead of attempting complex organic steps. Rather than making creatine, focus on selecting verified products and learning proper dosing. I will guide you through reading labels, spotting third-party seals, and comparing micronized versus regular monohydrate for solubility. Also learn simple loading and maintenance protocols if desired, and how to mix creatine into drinks or shakes while avoiding common mistakes that reduce effectiveness or cause stomach upset.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.